Christmas is round the corner. This is the authentic Christmas cake with Ram. Welcome to Show Miss Cuisine. Today I'm going to show how to make authentic Christmas cake with Ram. Let's get started. For making this authentic Christmas cake with Ram, first I'm going to make the orange zest. For making orange zest, here I have already peeled this orange, but at the time of peeling, please avoid white pith. It tastes bitter. Please see, here I have peeled only this orange part. Now I am chopping it finely. I need around 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Now I am transferring it in a separate bowl. Now I am straining this already soaked dry fruit. Yes, I have already soaked this dry fruit in ram and kept it in the refrigerator for 2 days. I have already uploaded the video how to soak dry fruit in ram. This recipe link has been given in the description box. Now I am keeping aside this discarded ram. Now I am adding 2 teaspoon flour and mixing it with this already soaked dry fruit. After mixing this flour, now I am keeping it aside. This is unsalted butter. Now I am greasing this mold with this unsalted butter. Then lining this mold with this parchment paper. Now keeping it aside. Here I am using this unsalted butter. Now I am taking 100 grams of unsalted butter in a separate bowl. Adding 100 grams of brown sugar in it. Now I am beating it with electric beater at medium speed. After a minute, stop beating and scraping the side of this bowl. Then beating again at medium speed. Now I am going to add 2 eggs in this batter. But here I am adding 1 egg at a time. Then I am beating this egg. After beating first egg, now I am adding second egg. Now I am beating it thoroughly with this electric beater at medium speed until this batter turns into light and creamy. Now I am adding molasses. This is molasses. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of molasses. Instead of molasses, you can use golden syrup also. Now I am beating it again. Adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now beating it again for 30 seconds. Adding 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Then beating it for 10 seconds. Now I am going to dump this batter and switch to spatula. For sifting all dry ingredients, first I am pouring 100 grams of flour in this sieve. Then I am taking half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1/4 teaspoon of clove powder. I am sifting this all dry ingredients. Now I am taking 40 grams of almond powder in this sieve. And now I am sifting all these dry ingredients. Now folding it with this spatula. Here I am adding these dry ingredients through sieve in 3 to 4 batches. Please remember, don't add all these dry ingredients at a time in the batter. Now adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Then mixing it thoroughly with spatula. Now adding 2 teaspoon flour coated ram soaked dry fruit. Here I am taking 300 grams of ram soaked dry fruit. Now I am mixing it in this batter with spatula. Now I am going to pour this batter in 2 molds. First I am pouring 500 grams of batter in this rectangular mold. Now spreading this batter uniformly with the help of spatula to get rid of the air bubble. Rest of the batter I am pouring it in this microsafe paper mold. You can bake and serve in this mold. After pouring this batter, again I am spreading this batter uniformly to get rid of the air bubble. Every time you should fill half of the mold. This is rest of the soaked dry fruit. Now I am sprinkling rest of the soaked dry fruit on the top of these 2 cakes. Here I am chopping this dry fruit. Now I am sprinkling this chopped dry fruit on the top of these 2 cakes. Now I am going to bake it in the convection mode of microwave. Preheating this oven at 160 degrees Celsius. After preheating this oven, putting this low rack inside this oven. Now placing these 2 molds on this low rack. Now I am baking it at 160 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. But after 42 minutes, I am checking 2 cakes individually with toothpick and toothpick comes clean. Please see, again I am showing toothpick comes clean. So my 2 cakes have been done perfectly. Now I am taking it out from the oven. Again I am showing, please see, toothpick comes clean. Now these 2 cakes are very hot, so I am covering it with this cotton cloth. This is Old Monk ram. After demolding, now I am going to soak this cake with this Old Monk ram. Now I am demolding it. Removing the butter paper. See the height of this cake. Now prick this cake for making a lot of holes. Now taking 1 tablespoon of ram. Now pouring this 1 tablespoon of ram on the top of this cake to keep this cake moist for a long time. And also it enriches the taste of this cake. Now prick this second one for making a lot of holes. Again putting 1 tablespoon of ram on the top of this cake to keep this cake moist for a long time. Now cutting this cake. After cutting this cake, now I am wrapping another one. with cling film. After wrapping it with cling film, you can give it to anyone. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon for getting notification. Today's recipe, authentic Christmas cake, is ready. Keep well. Thank you.